Making breakfast in the morning can be extremely time-consuming and stressful if you don't plan it right. Think about it. How many times have you left the house late because of breakfast? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a heart-healthy breakfast that literally requires no extra time from you in the mornings. Overnight oats. Welcome to the channel. My name is Gabriel Carrillo, and if you'd like to learn more EdTech tips and food recipes, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Who's ready for some overnight oats? Let's get our ingredients ready. The first thing that we're going to be needing is steel cut oats, half a cup, and do not use that instant stuff. It's not going to work and it has no nutritional value whatsoever. Half a cup of milk, choose your favorite milk, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, a heaping teaspoon of peanut butter, and some honey for sweetness. And remember, these are overnight oats, so if you want this today, you should have done this last night. Let's go ahead and grab our jar. I've got this glass locking jar. I'm gonna go ahead and add my oats directly to the jar. After that, we're gonna go in with our milk. Next, we're gonna add the Greek yogurt. This adds some body and some texture, so make sure you get some in there. Next, we're gonna add some chia seeds, and those chia seeds are gonna actually add some extra protein to the meal. Next, we're gonna add a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter, which is gonna give it a nice, rich consistency. And lastly, we're gonna add honey, which is gonna give it a bit of sweetness to kind of take away from the bitter and tartness from that unflavored Greek yogurt. Once that's done, go ahead and get your spoon in there, mix it around really well. That way everything's kind of incorporated together, and close your Tupperware. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and close the lid on this, and let's go ahead and get this thing into the refrigerator and let that sit for at least about 8 to 10 hours. The next morning, go to the fridge, grab your breakfast, it's ready to go. Mix it up and enjoy it before you leave the house, or take it to work, crack it open at the office, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can also change the recipe however you'd like. If you don't like the peanut butter, leave it out. If you don't like honey, leave that out. Sometimes we like to chop up some strawberries and throw that in there. Sometimes we'll add some blueberries into the mix. But one of our favorites is to chop up about 1/3 of a banana, throw it in there, get a scoop of some chocolate protein powder, put that in the mix, and now you have this peanut butter, chocolate, banana thing going on. Oh man, hard to beat. And the fact that it required no time in the morning, you're gonna absolutely love that recipe. A quick, easy, heart-healthy breakfast that you could make the night before. If you have kids, have them help you out or have them create their own recipe. Say goodbye to your stressful mornings and a good morning to overnight oats. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and share the video, and make sure that you are subscribed. Enjoy your overnight oats and buen provecho.